We are the Tasi family.
We are the Anna family.
Price is right.
Our verse will be in the book Ephesians 2, verse 4 to 10.
Verse 4 and 5. But because of his great love for us, God, who is rich in mercy, made us alive with Christ, even when we were dead in transgressions. It is by grace you have been saved.
Verse 6 and 7. And God raised us up with Christ and seated us next to him in the heavenly realms in Christ Jesus, in order for the coming ages he might show the incomparable riches of his grace expressed to us in his kindness to us in Christ Jesus.
Verse 8 and 9. For it is by grace you have been saved through faith, and this is not from yourself. It is the gift of God, not by works, so that no one can boast. Verse 10. For we are God's handiwork, created in Christ Jesus to do good work, which God prepared in advance for us to do. Now we're going to do it.